So, morning students once again. Here today I will discuss about the scale. This is the third topic of class 7 syllabus and fifth topic of class 6 syllabus. Now here I already mentioned two different definitions for a scale. First one I mentioned that which scale we all are using in our day-to-day life. Normally, scale is a measuring instrument with several units such as centimeter, inch, feet and so on. In our Indian subcontinent, we are using the centimeter and inch only. You can see in your scale, all type of scales, you can see two different units are there. In one side, it is mentioned the centimeter, another side it is mentioned the inch. We can measure the height and distance of an object, any object, pillar, temple, tower, trees, any object. We can measure its height and distance between two points, two places, right, by using this instrument. On the other hand, if I will discuss about the map scale, it is totally different from the normal scale, that one we are using, right? A map scale is a ratio between the map and the ground distance. That means over there you will get two different distance. In one side of that scale it is mentioned the map distance, another side it is mentioned the ground distance. Now where left side, see, left side represents the map distance and right side represents the ground distance. So see here, one example I already given over here. 1:1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1 lakh. So 1:1 lakh, one example I already gave. And I mentioned here it is a ratio. So ratio only I mentioned here. And here you see left side means this side represent the map distance and right side represents the ground distance. Okay. Next I will discuss about the types of maps. Types of scale. See here, since three types of map scales are there. Three types of map scales. All three types I already mentioned here. You see the representative fraction or RF. That representative fraction actually represent the scale without using any unit. 1:50,000. No units are there. Representative fraction or RF. Second one is the statement scale, that is 1 centimeter to 5 kilometer. So here you can see this type of scale is very easy to read. Very easy to read because here both side different unit already mentioned and you no need to calculate. Without calculation only you can read that scale. But here as the unit is not given, hence you must calculate and find out the unit, then only you can use that one. Third one is the graphical or linear scale. Graphical or linear scale, here you can see no units are there like that statement scale. Here units mean only one unit is given and no ratio is actually given here. It is a drawing scale. This type of scale is actually there in the lower part or in the upper part of the map. Okay, I will show you afterwards where this type of scales are actually given. That graphical or linear scale is not there in ICSC 6 and 7 syllabus. Once I already mentioned here, but as per the ICSC class 7 and class 6 syllabus, we will learn about two types of scales. That is the first two. That are the first two scales. That is the representative fraction and the statement scale. Linear or graphical scale is not there. So I will show you a map where that all three types of scales you will get together. Keep in your mind one thing. Only in a topographical map you will get all those three types of scales together. You can see here middle one, it is the Artic scale already mentioned as like me 1:50,000. both side corner, you can see both side corner. Here you see 500 meter to 1 centimeter, and this side you can see that 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer mentioned as a statement scale. And from here to here full scale, you can see it is a drawing scale. It is a drawing scale called graphical or linear scale. All those three type of scales are there in a map. That map is called the topographical map. Rest of all the maps, you will never get all three types of scales together. Maybe one scale, maybe linear, or maybe statement, or maybe RF, any one scale or two scales you will get. But in topography, you will get all those three type of scales together. Thank you.